Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, CC with Intellectual Glam. I have missed you guys so much. Oh my goodness. January was the worst month ever. But that's okay because we're in February and we're doing good and we're happy and we're excited for all the things to come with Intellectual Glam, guys. I'm so excited where we're going and where we're growing. Anyways, so in today's video, I wanted to do a bit of a dramatic Valentine's Day look using the new Reezy Times Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So that is what this look is. I think I'm going to do a voiceover because I don't have a lot of time. I have so much to do today, but I had to film and get this video out. So this will be a voiceover, but I do talk about all the products that I use. Can you guys see that? Okay, that I use. And I am going to do a review on this palette because these colors are so beautiful. And I did use the Jackiana palette a little bit, but thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and also thank you to all of my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. You guys inspire me to keep going, to keep filming, and to do what I'm really passionate about, which is play with makeup. All right, so let's jump into the video.
I'm at the club and I'm thinking about you. Straight to the bar, there's only one thing to do. I don't even drink, but bartender, pour me another drink. I don't even smoke, no. It's the first time for everything, like the first time I told you things, like the first time you lied to me. I thought you said you'd tell me everything. Yeah, I thought you said you told me everything. I guess that we were never meant to be. After all, I'm tripping. I trip on that shit tomorrow. Cause I'm at the club. Why am I in the club? Thinking about you, thinking about you. Ooh, I had too much to drink. I don't know what to think. I don't even drink, but pour me another drink. I don't even smoke, no. It's the first time for everything. It's the first time for everything. It's the first time for everything. We were never meant to be after all. I'm tripping, I trip on that shit tomorrow. Too much to drink. I'm sipping, I don't know what to think. I'm tripping, too much to drink. I'm at the club and I'm thinking about you. Straight to the bar, it's only one thing to do. I don't even drink, but bartender, pour me another drink. I don't even smoke, no. It's the first time for everything. Like the first time I told you things. Like the first time you lied to me. I thought you said you'd tell me everything. Yeah, I thought you said you told me everything. I guess that we were never meant to be. After all, I'm tripping. I trip on that shit tomorrow. Cause I'm at the club. Why am I in the club? Thinking about you, thinking about you. Ooh, I had too much to drink. I don't know what to think. I don't even drink. Pour me another drink. I don't even smoke, no. It's the first time for everything. It's the first time for everything. It's the first time for everything. I'm tripping, I'm slipping. Oh baby, you got me spilling. You gon' have me calling that girl tonight. I might end up with one of your boys tonight. You gon' have me starting some shit tonight. Pour me another drink. I don't even smoke, no. I guess that we were never meant to be after all. I'm tripping, I trip on that shit tomorrow. Too much to drink. I'm slipping, I don't know what to think. I'm tripping, too much to drink. I'm slipping, I don't know what to think. I'm at the club and I'm thinking about you. Straight to the bar, it's only one thing to do. I don't even drink, but bartender, pour me another drink. I don't even smoke, no. It's the first time for everything. Like the first time I told you things. Like the first time you lied to me. I thought you said you'd tell me everything. Yeah, I thought you said you told me everything. I guess that we were never meant to be. After all, I'm tripping. I trip on that shit tomorrow. Cause I'm at the club. Why am I in the club? Thinking about you, thinking about you. Ooh, I had too much to drink. I don't know what to think. I don't even drink. Pour me another drink. I don't even smoke, no.
Alright guys, this is the final look. I'm obsessed with this palette. This definitely was out of my comfort zone to use pink, I guess, because I always stay in neutrals. But I love Valentine's Day, so I thought, why not step out my comfort zone? But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.